We've just received our GR Racing carbon fiber intake. Got the breather filter and this gorgeous lightweight carbon fiber intake that's going to sit right there where that rubber intake pipe is now. Let's get into it. Let's take out the instruction booklet. Let's see what they have to say. What have we got here? We've got a couple of stickers, cool. I think one of those goes on the intake as per the photo. Installation instructions, beautiful. What we got here? Steps. Easy. Let's get into it. Alright, first of all, let's remove the engine cover, which just pops off like that. The lighting in here is pretty good, but just going to add a little bit more. Beautiful. Grab one of these Phillips heads and let's start undoing these clamps. Screw here, let's do this one. Actually, I need to do that because that all comes off in one hit. And then there's a clamp up here on the throttle body. Take out that air box, so I'll just unclip it here. So that should just now slide out. Beautiful. Put this over here. Pretty sure I should just be able to, yeah, awesome, just by hand. Cool, might just use two hands, give me a sec. Alright, that's off, beautiful. Now, this should pull straight off, just like that. There is a connected hose under there, unclip that. There we go. Interesting. Let's see how it fits. Alright, we've just taken the breather out. Let's go put it on. Might give it a quick wipe first. So what I've just found out, so for anyone watching with the exact same engine layout, this engine cover mount is actually sitting in the way. So just loosen that 10mm bolt a little bit, pull it forward, and this will sit straight on. Alright, that's now in there. Use the Phillips head to tighten the screw. That's now sitting under the engine mount, the engine cover mount I should say. Alright, so far so good. Next part is to unscrew this clamp from the stock intake, and now we're going to transfer it over to the new one. Jeez, how easy was that? Alright, we've mounted the rubber adapters on each end. We're just going to test fit it up just to get the mounting spot right. Might have to loosen that a little bit and make sure we can just get it in on the right angle so it sits nice and flush where the MAF sensor goes. Back in a sec. Alright, now we're just going to test to fit everything up, making sure everything is nice and solid. Might have to loosen this clamp a bit just to test fit this, but so far we're pretty much done. Everything fits beautifully, just got to tighten this up and we can put the engine cover back on. Fitment is beautiful. Let's chuck the GR Racing sticker on the intake, put the cover back on and see how it sounds. Beautiful. Looks super stealthy. Let's see if it sounds stealthy. Let's take it for a spin. sounds mean. Sounds fantastic. Looks great.